What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a full review of Tangem wallet, which is one of my favorite hardware wallets. Now, today's video is a partnered video with Tangem, and they've actually sent me one of their wallets right here. And so I'm going to go through the entire process of how to use this wallet on my brand new card that I just got here with you guys to show you just how amazing this product really is. So you guys will see on screen here, Tangem wallet will first ask you to scan your card or your ring. Users can start completely for free using a mobile wallet without needing any cards. Just tap Start with Mobile Wallet. In this event here, we do indeed have a card, so I'm going to be pressing the Scan Card button. Your phone will then put the Ready to Scan sign thing up. You then want to put it right up against the card like so on your phone, and then of course you'll be going through to the next step here. From here you can generate your keys privately. Now of course we're going to go through that. Yes, to create that you want to tap the card once again as you did before. Make sure it's on there the entire time. Done. There we go. Beautiful. And from there, you're going to want to generate your keys, right? The private key is generated directly inside the card's chip upon activation and never leaves it. The app allows generating a classic seed phrase, but the seedless method is far more convenient and secure for most people. Maximum security EAL6+. The card uses a Samsung chip with the highest security certification, the same standard used in biometric passports. The manufacturer also provides a 5-year warranty. So to start the backup process, add up to 2 backup cards. So we're also going to add another backup card right here. We have a second card that Tangem gave us. So we're going to add another card or ring. Ready to scan. Boom. There we go. You can add at least one more. So we're going to do exactly that. We have one final ring here that Tangem got us here, and we're going to add that as well. There we go. So that's the sign up process right there for all of that part. And now you get this little option to open it up and finalize the backup. So you're going to create the access code from here. Now this of course is going to be private, so I am not going to show this to you guys, but you can choose any word, phrase, or number you want as your own access code. So I will do that real quick. We're just going to do this, and then we create that part of the wallet, press continue, and we're going to do it again, verify, submit, and then prepare your primary card. Boom, there we go, scan the card. You got to hold that one for 15 seconds, just like so. There we go. Done. Beautiful. Now the backup cards, you got to scan all of them. There we go. Done. And the final backup card, I'm going to scan that. All right, we're going to allow it to use Face ID. There you go. You're now inside of your wallet. So now, of course, you can add tokens from here. Of course, if you want to add XRP, you can go and choose whichever networks you're going to want to use it on. Of course, the XRP ledger is the main one. So you press the XRP ledger. Once you select XRP, just as you've seen right there, you press continue. From there, of course, you're going to want to tap the card that you're using. So you tap that one real quick, just like so again. Done. There you go. Success. Continue to my wallet. Here you'll be able to see all of your wallet tokens. So for example, on this wallet I already have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP ledger. You can actually buy directly through the wallet. So if you want to load up, XRP on the XRP ledger, you will have to transfer it directly. But let's say you want to do Bitcoin, you'll do this. You'll confirm your region, of course, and then you're going to put the amount that you want to put in. So maybe I want to buy 100 or $1 of Bitcoin, whatever it is. You have to do at least $15, so I'm going to do 20. There we go. From here, you can actually buy it directly through the app with Apple Pay. Super easy. The is a very competitive rate. It chooses you the best rate automatically. You can also look at other offers if you want. You can see all the different options. There's like a credit card option. You will pay a little bit more for that as opposed to using Apple Pay. And then of course you can also swap tokens. So through the actual wallet itself, you can swap all these different options through all these different platforms. And of course, they'll give you a little run through of what that looks like. But yes, you want to start with the token you want to swap. So say I want to swap Bitcoin, and then you want to swap it to the token you want. You can swap it to the XRP. And this is really nice. Like maybe you can't buy XRP on the XRPL directly with Apple Pay, but you can buy Bitcoin and then you can swap it over to XRP. So if you want to do like $20 of Bitcoin over to XRP, it'll fetch you the current rates, and then it'll show you exactly how much you will receive on the other end of that transaction. Now, also really nice little feature is you can sell through the wallet too. You can see selling cryptocurrency is unavailable in Canada, but it's available in many other regions. So if you're in the United States or other areas, you're going to want to check that out. Try that out for yourself. Smart Gas makes the transition to self-custody as smooth as possible. For example, if someone just wants to hold stablecoins and earn yield, they don't need to worry about buying separate tokens for gas or understanding complex blockchain mechanics. The app handles everything automatically. Now, of course, Tangem Wallet does have a lot of other functionality and features. So let's say you don't have a token on your wallet yet. You can go to the search tokens feature by just pressing this little search bar right here. And you can also look at the market. Like you can see, okay, Bitcoin's down 1.88% today. Ethereum's down 0.72% today. You can also scroll down a little bit more and look at news like, oh, Circle and Cassava bring USDC to 30 African countries. That's pretty cool. I want to read more about this. You can open it up and read through it. So it actually keeps you updated on what's trending right now. Also, if there's like big gainers or big losers on the market, it'll show you like, oh, well, BitTensor is up 12% today. I wonder why that is. And you can kind of maybe go through the news to see if there's anything relating to BitTensor or just other cryptocurrencies you're interested in. There's a massive news section, as you guys can see here, with all of the top trending stories. It even tells you which cryptos are featured, which is very nice to just be able to have. Now, of course, you can also just look at specific cryptocurrencies and open them up in the charts and just look. And then as you can see here, when you scroll down, you can see, oh, in my portfolio right now, I have $0 of Bitcoin, but I can buy it directly here. I can swap it and receive it directly from this page too, which is very, very nice. They even give you a lot of about information, like the market cap, the security score, and of course, all of the other interesting things that you might need, as of course, like price performance over the last 24 hours. What was its high? What was its low, etc. And you can also get all the official links from Bitcoin as well, like their the main page for Bitcoin, the main Bitcoin website, bitcoin.com, all that kind of stuff. Now, if you want to add more tokens, you can do that very easily. You can just apply but by organizing right here. You can organize it by balance, by group, all of that wonderful stuff. And you can also add extra tokens as well very easily by just going over and looking up the token you want. So if we want to do BNB, we go to BNB right here, and then we press the button add to portfolio. And then we can choose which chain we want to add it on. Is it going to be the main chain or smart chain, whatever it is? You can do that very, very easily. Now, there is also some really awesome yield options. Like, for example, if you want to earn yield on USDT Tether, you can very easily do that. Of course, the first step is you'll want to add USDC or USDT to your wallet. Once you do that, you'll see, oh, I can earn up to 1.86% APR on this or APY on this. So you can press on that. All you need to do is make sure that you have it added to your wallet, and then you can put it in yield mode, which will allow you to earn interest automatically, which is, of course, extremely helpful to do. And you can learn more. Like, you can see no lockups, auto supply to Aave, of course, and then decentralized and self-custodial. You can continue from there. You will, of course, need to have USDT in your wallet to apply for it, or USDC if you want to do that stablecoin instead. But it's really nice. And everything runs through the transparent smart contracts of the top tier DeFi protocol Aave. So you'll know that that is where it all comes from. Now, if you guys are interested in using this particular Tangem wallet, like the one that I have here, I have an awesome promo code that's currently running where you can get up to 30% discount if you're using my link. There is, in fact, the 20% discount on cold wallets on the official website. Best of all, by clicking my link, you get an extra 10% off on top of that 20% discount. So it's really awesome to take advantage if you're thinking about getting a cold wallet anyways. Super easy on how you get it. Number one, you just click the link in the description, which I'll leave down below. You choose the 3-card set for maximum security. This is the same one that I have here. So you have all the backups as well. And then, of course, you just complete your purchase. Once you do that, of course, it's great. You're supporting my channel, but you're also supporting yourself and your own security in the crypto space. I think everyone should have a crypto cold wallet. It's just the most secure way to hold your cryptocurrency in my experience. That's not to say that other options are not great too. It's just I use Tangem. I've liked their brand for a long time, and I thought, it's due time that we do a partnership and show you guys how they work. So I'd love to know what you guys think of Tangem Wallet in the comments down below. Don't forget to sign up to get your own wallet to get those awesome discounts. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.